this video, we went to 3 actual stores and then 1 secret store at the end. So we went to Food for Less first, Walmart second, and Sam's Club third. But we already did a part 1 to this. This is part 2. So make sure to watch part 1 and then come back and watch this video. And if you already watched part 1, then let's get to it. We're going to Food for Less first. Alright, bet. So we pulled up to Food for Less. Now we're just gonna be in and out because it's a grocery store. But grocery stores, sometimes they do have good deals. They have like those random sales that go on. So let's see what we got inside. Right off the bat, it's just really packed in. We're just gonna have to look around. So let's get to it. Oreos, nah. Oh, Gatorade. $10 for 12 pack. Expensive, taxing. I got chips. $20. Free Sun. 30 pouches. People only like this one. These two mid. Not worth it. For $10? Oh, nah. Alright, so we saw chips and drinks. Now, you could come get it here, but it's low-key a little taxing. It's totally up to you. They even have some good pastries. So if you want, come check it out. There's also these little chips, but I mean, it's iffy. Might as well just order them off Amazon. But yeah, let's just keep looking, see what else they got. Oh, we're coming up on some Sunny D's. 18 pack for $5. You can sell them for $1. I'm not gonna get them personally. Let's see what else they got. Let's go to the drinks. $6 for 12 of them. That's taxing. Body Armor. Damn, send them for $2. Damn, they tax, bro. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You can price sell these for $3 if you want. 3 of them for $4. That's pretty good. Gatorade is 3 for $5. Sell these for $3 too. Alright, so we have the sodas. So this is looking like the best pack. Same with those two. So if you're just starting out and you want like some drinks, I would recommend those. But one thing I will say, freshman year for me, when I was selling, I took sodas one time and one of them popped mid-class. So I almost got caught. The whole bag was leaking. Luckily, the period was about to end. So I just walked out the class. I wiped it up a little bit, but I dipped, bro. And that's why I stopped selling sodas after that. I bet. So this is a good deal, bro. 4 for $5. You can sell these for like 2. Twix 2. You can sell these for 2 or 3. They're the king size. Price on for $3. You can sell the Whoppers for 2. M&M's for 2. You feel me? Or even 3 of the boxes because they're boxes. He's saying, bro, that was taking too long. I decided to come do it myself, but so we're gonna scan it. You feel me? Now, I didn't end up getting anything at Food for Less. The only thing that you could get is those deals, maybe those chocolates. It's totally up to you. The only thing that I did actually get was these little drinks. I need a whole gallon for real. But anyways, we're going to Walmart next. Let's go. All right, bet. So we pull up to Walmart. We're gonna see what they got because a lot of people say it's just like cheap snacks, but I don't know. Lucky expensive. Everything's expensive. Let's go check the drinks. Let's see how much these Gatorades. $7? Damn, they taxing. Because buy these. I used to sell them for 2. You could probably get away with like 3, 2 for $5. Those is pretty good. Pre-Sun, 318. 24 pack of Sprite for 14. Let's go. Oh, they got Takis. Damn, $14. At the candy aisle, not seeing no worthy candy. Oh, box of chocolates, 17. That's like the same on Amazon, but these, I don't know how much these are. Probably same price, but they come with Twix and sneakers. Nobody buys a Milky Way or 3 Musketeers, so put that back. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. I don't see these nuts. I only want these nuts. Alright, bet. So they have some good candies here at Walmart, but they only have like a few. Everything's just ran packed. There's nothing like organized. Like it's just scattered all over the place, but they do got some decent candies. Why waste the gas and drive all the way over here when you just order on Amazon and get that free shipping? You feel me? Low-key need this, bro, but this is too watery. Sneak peek, new video, bro. Gonna make some more gummies. We got these taxes. They tax, bro. We dipping. Leave it Walmart. Now, Walmart's a good spot if that's the only thing you got near you and you just starting, because you get those like pretty cheap candy. But might as well just order everything on Amazon. I feel like it's better. You guys make your decisions. We got one more, Sam's Club. Our best. So we're pulling up to Sam's. I got my homie, shout out Mo. We're gonna go through Sam's to see what they got. But I'm mainly looking for Prime because a lot of people in my comments keep telling me there's Prime. Mad cards. First impressions, haven't been here in like 50 years. But yeah, Sam, they got mad stuff, bro. That's a good deal. Bro, if only I had a card, bro. Should I get a Sam's Club card? Can I buy a whole pallet? 11? How much would it be if I buy a whole pallet? Would I get like a discount or?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the cocktail maybe.
Gushers, 42 pack, 12 some. Fruit roll-ups, Casado, my little bites, Gancitos, dumb joints. $14 for 6? Yeah, same as Costco. See, I got some on Amazon. I only ordered the vanilla ones. Those is gas, bro. I bet. So you guys can see that I also got some corn nuts. How much comes in this joint? 18. So you can sell these $1 or $2. Make back your bread. This looks like a good deal. He said he know where the Prime at, so we just follow it. Oh, they got vitamin water. They don't have it. This is what's that? Oh, it's right there. Prime. $20 for 15. Well, let me do the math. So selling for 2, it's 30. $10 profit. It sounds for 3, 15 times 3. Hold up, I need to pull the calculator. It's okay, good deal, bro. I paid like $30 for only like 6, 7 of them, bro. Oh, yeah, we taking all this. So I don't know if Prime's still selling for y'all. Prime was all right for me. It didn't sell crazy, but it wasn't like oh, it's just trash. It did sell. It did take a little while, so we secured the Prime and let's go. Prime.
I didn't pay nothing. Fake receipt.
All right, so now it's time for the secret store. And the secret store, it's Amazon. I love Amazon. You can literally order anywhere as long as you have your phone or laptop or whatever. You can literally order anything you want. You get drinks, candy, snacks, chips, cookies, anything. So I really love Amazon. Amazon's like super cheap as well. I wish you could buy it like in bulk, but I mean it's still super cheap. You get super good profits. And if you guys want a full list of what I order, it's gonna be linked down in the description to my Amazon list. I have a list there that you could just order, go on there, click. I use this list like every single week because I used to order every single week, and it's just super easy because everything is there. I choose the snacks that need to be restocked and I restock it. So I order most of my things on Amazon, and then I go to some stores, but that's it.